Example 7. In this example, I want to show that the slope of every line tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 over 1 minus 2x cubed is positive. So you might be asking yourself, what do I even do with this problem? So the first thing I see is slope, which in our minds should translate to a derivative. And so I'm going to get my equation is y is equal to, now right away I'm going to go ahead and write the denominator as 1 minus 2x to the negative 3 power. It's going to make taking the derivative much easier than dealing with it in the fraction form. So I take the derivative of both sides with respect to x, and I get dy dx is equal to, so this negative 3 is going to come down to the front, and I'm going to subtract 1. So I get negative 3, 1 minus 2x to the negative 4 times the derivative of that inside function. So I get negative 3, 1 minus 2x to the negative 4th times negative 2. So that's going to give me 6 times 1 minus 2x to the negative 4th. And if I simplify that down, I get 6 divided by 1 minus 2x to the 4th. So this is my y prime, or my f prime of x. So now what we need to do is determine why this slope is always positive. So let's first look at the numerator. We just have 6. Well, 6 is always positive. So now let's look at our denominator. Well, 1 minus 2x to the 4th is also always positive, because anything to an even power is always positive. So since the numerator is always positive and the denominator is always positive, 6 divided by 1 minus 2x to the 4th is always positive for all x in the domain. So that big fancy writing here just translate for all x in the domain.